This is vidly, a movie rental website with the front end as ReactJs and back end as NodeJs, and the database is hosted on MongoDB. As soon as we load the page, it loads movies and genres from the database, from the backend. These are the genres and these are the movies. This is a component and this is a genres component. This is a movies component. This is filtering. We are filtering by genres. This is all genres. Then sorting by genre, sorting by title, stock and rate. Then we have pagination. For pagination, we've used a module called lodash. Then we have forms, login form, a register form. The form also has form validation inbuilt. So this has to be an email or I'm gonna get this error. The password is supposed to be at least 5 characters long, or it's not, the register button is not going to be enabled. So once we do test and we give a proper password and a name, the register button is enabled. So once we register, we are redirected back to the home page. And then for authentication purposes, we use JWT, Java JSON Web Token, which is stored in the local storage. So if you're a user, you have the option to add movies. Even this comes with form validation, and the button only gets enabled once you've filled all the fields. See, 3. Now there's also an, once you log out, there's also an option to log in as a admin user. The admin has the additional feature of deleting all the movies from the database. And then at the end, once the project has been done, it has been hosted to render.com. The front end and the back end have been deployed on render.com. This is the live version of the vidly website, and this is the database. This is the MongoDB that is on cloud. I've deployed it on the cloud, and then the front end and the database are connected. Front end, back end, and the database are connected together. Then for error logging, I've used Sentry. Whenever there's an error, we get a notification and we see them under the issues such as error, the error message, and we can choose to resolve them right here. Also, the tech stack used is HTML, CSS, ReactJs, Bootstrap, NodeJs for the backend. Then we've used Joy for form validation, AXIOS for making API calls, Toastify for toast notifications, and Postman for testing API endpoints. And then all the code that I've written so far has been posted on my GitHub repo and then push. So the render.com, whenever there's a change in the GitHub repository, it detects it and auto deploys the latest version. Thank you.